First, make a budget. First, clear your mind that what kind of business I have to do. Quality and quantity gives a service, and the language is the most important thing is communication, and there is a barcode also is there. So this is the process of a brand, how to start and tie up a business. These are the major and the basic points where you can just keep it in your mind. Hi all, I'm your Rani Subramanian here from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. Once again, I come up with new collections with new business informations to share with you. So friends, I request everyone, please watch this video, subscribe the channel. If you're really interested to start your clothing store, clothing shop for online business or a shop or boutique, you can directly tie up with Kesaria. You can do online business, COD, domestic plus international services. We are providing you 24/7. You can directly contact Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. So friends, as I said this, today I'm going to share you a business information regarding a business. Everyone is really interested at the current market. I want to start a business. I want to start a business. Salaried, being a salaried, my commitments are not getting fulfilled. Everyone is having the doubt, right? So everyone is running to start a business. I want to start a clothing business. I want to start up my own food business, food brand, clothing brand. Everyone is interested to start a business. Everyone is running behind to start their own clothing brand, clothing business. I want to invest. I want to invest something. I got retired from my service. I'm not doing any salaried job now. I got fed up with salaried job. I want to invest something. I have a bank balance. I can invest and I can take some profitable business I can run behind as my own brand. So in this way, all are looking for a manufacturers to purchase, but I don't know where to buy from, how to buy, and what are the collections I have to buy. In this video, I'm going to share a business information. If you're really interested to start a clothing business, see some benefits. These points will take you to how to start and tie up a business. These are the major and the basic points where you can just keep it in your mind and you can make your business plan. Either it is an online business, or either it is a boutique shop, or either it is a showroom. You can plan according to your investment of the budget. First, make a budget. First, clear your mind that what kind of business I have to do. Either I have to do home-based business, either I have to do online business, either I have to put it in the e-commerce platforms, either I have to start my own boutique varieties. So in this way, you can plan your business module, then you can choose a manufacturers. While choosing a manufacturers, you have to do the ground search. According to the ground level, you will find out some analysements where have to buy. If I talk about the textile industry, Surat is one of the biggest city which is located in India, which is a Gujarat state, and the city Surat is very famous, and there is a textile, it's a huge market you can find. So first, travel to Surat. Give some time, take your budget, make some textile research, come and view entire textile industry and find out what all the segments I can buy, what all I can invest, where I can invest, where I can take down the money. This is the most important point. So first you have to give your most important yourself with your energy, with your time preference to find out the manufacturers. When you're finding a manufacturer, find out the right manufacturer with multiple benefits. If I talk about the benefits, the stable manufacturers are the one place manufacturers, either kurti, either sari, either lehengas, either boutique varieties, either ready-made, either party wear, either regular wear, formal, casuals, regular wear. These are all segments you have to buy at one place. Next point, coming to fabrics. If I'm looking for Raniel, I am looking for cotton fabric. I'm looking for Georgette. I'm looking for Jimmy Choo. I'm looking for lehengas of bridal. I'm looking for semi-bridal, party wear, Indo-Western, Sharara, Garara, exclusive varieties. If you're buying at one place, that is a manufacturer. And quality and quantity gives a service, and the language It's the most important thing is communication. I only know English. I'm coming to India. I heard that lot of clothing are getting manufactured in India. So I'm going to visit at this my summer, at my weekend, or at my leaves. I'm going to visit a textile market. I'm going to start my own clothing business. Then visit Surat. Come, analyze, take the collections, see the fabrics, see the varieties, then choose according to your budget. Now coming to benefits. As I said, the language according to your requirement, either you're in Singapore, or you're in Sri Lanka, or you're in US, choose the surrounding of the collections, what the dress code the people are wearing around your circle, then such collections you have to buy. If I talk about Sri Lanka, if I talk about Malaysia, Singapore, the huge demanded for the designer saris and the designer lehengas. And friends, I can only say the designer collections of all segments. Either you take blouse, either you take lehenga, either you take the Indo-Western varieties. Everything is getting manufactured in only Surat, and you can directly purchase. And India from Surat, many countries we are exporting the designer lehengas. So if you are put up in NRA country, any country you take, you know your surrounding, what country and which place you are located. According to those collections, you can come and select. And those collections are with that brand. Either they are giving me online services, either I can buy from my Sri Lanka, I can just place an order, I can take WhatsApp, I can chat, I can select the catalog, non-catalog, low range collections, mid-range collections. These all varieties. And talking about the service, how safe and secure I can receive my goods, I'm going to show you the KTC, Kesaria Textile Manufactures, a place where you can communicate any language. Either you travel from out of country, either you're coming from pan India, we are providing you cash on delivery, online payments, online services, minimum budget, maximum budget, etc., etc., etc. So I'm going to show you in this video, we are providing online services, especially sea services, cargo services, and we do the online transportation, everything with safe and securely to our customers. And many retail customers are tie up with our Kesaria manufacturers sitting from all over the pan world. I can say you can also tie up and you can have your clothing store at your location, at your country. So I'm going to show you how we are giving our services. Let's see the transport, how the goods are getting packed, how our executives are working over here. I'm going to take you, just let's take a look. So friends, I'm going to take you to the logistics, how the products, the goods, what you are placing an order through online. Even when you come here for directly visit purchase, some people take the stock, the goods according to the budget, how much you purchase. You can also put it in our transport, and I'm showing you the live purchase, how the transportation are getting work here. The executives are packing the collections. Here I can only say some collections the customer has been purchased here. We do have a kurti, we do have a printed catalog saris, we do have a Poonam saris, we do have a bottom varieties. Such all collections, see bottom varieties of printed varieties. These are the printed catalog lace border saris, the zipper package. Whatever the quantity you're buying, there is a Kesaria logo, the brand. Always when you buy a brand, a stable brand will give you the services. You have to find out the packing and the code. Even the collections what you ordered, there is a code, there is a quantity, and there is a barcode also is there. So this is the process of a brand. So such collections you can see. And here is also Georgette based fabric collections of saris. All are mixed varieties. The Kesaria of the packing, the cotton boxes are being getting packed with safe and securely. The boxes are over here, and the running material of the digital printers of saris or printouts for the n number of kurtis or ready-made segments or salwar, all collections. This is the process of the packing, how the transportation, how the goods are getting serviced. So this is a chain of teamwork. We do have a sales team, we do have an online team, we do have an offline team. There's a billing section over here, and here is also the goods are getting cross-checked. So somewhere there over there, the packing is over here going on. So this is the way the packing and goods transportation, how we are giving a service of pan India as well as all further domestic and international services. So friends, I can only tell you, either you are in India, are you in out of India, any country you're located, just take a WhatsApp, just say hi, hello to our online executives according to your requirements, either kurti, either party wear lehengas or segments of n number of collections of ready-made ethnic ways, multiple varieties. Kesaria is giving you with manufacturing price of at manufacturing cost. So you no need to worry about how my goods will come, how I'll pick up, how I'm going to take. This is a online, there's a chain team where communicate through only WhatsApp. So you can directly tie up with Kesaria Textile Manufacturers, which is located at Surat. You can come from airport, you can either come from railway station, and ensure any business you are doing, you can directly communicate and you can start your clothing store, boutique shop or showroom with Kesaria. The Kesaria will support you and guide you in all the process of how the business can start it, and you can also, according to your business, either an e-commerce platform, online showroom, as I said. So this video will be helpful to you. So I request everyone, please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone, and please subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon over there. Just click it, share with everyone. Please support. Next video will come up with business information and with many new more videos. Till then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye-bye.